Are you ready to take your Excel skills to the next level? Our comprehensive course will cover everything from the basics to the advanced features of Excel. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this course is designed to help you become a master of this powerful spreadsheet software. In the basic section, you'll learn the fundamentals from navigating the interface to entering data and formatting cells. We'll also explore formulas and functions, teaching you how to perform calculations, use logical operators, and work with dates and times. Moving on to the intermediate level, we'll dive into more advanced topics like conditional formatting, sorting and filtering data, and creating charts and graphs. You'll also learn how to use pivot tables efficiently and analyze data effectively. Finally, in the advanced section, we'll tackle complex formulas and functions, automate tasks with macros, and explore features like data validation and goal seeking. You'll discover how to work with large datasets, create interactive dashboards, and collaborate on workbooks with others. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills and knowledge to excel in Excel. So, are you ready to level up your Excel game? Enroll now and let's get started on this exciting journey together.